I'm doing vending machines in Japan. I've seen a few videos where Japan has vending machines for everything. Some of them I think are really weird, but okay. Okay, vending machine for cotton candy, for rice, umbrellas, batteries, beer, cups, vegetables, hot meals, toilet paper, canned t-shirts, weird, but okay, ice cream, health items, flowers, ties, toys, snacks, bananas, costumes, instant cup ramen noodles, eggs, fruit, coffee, hamburger, underwear, weird, but okay, party decorations, some of these get really weird, drink, exotic foods, live beetles, gross, pizza, lettuce, canned bread, bug snacks, sushi, socks, surgical mask, dog wigs, origami, hot meat, transforming cola, board games, oranges, energy drinks, condoms, puppy, I don't see how, because puppies are live, and popcorn. Like and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you'll know. Thank you for watching.